welcome back to our question solving on a complex number. We have the question 4. Express the following in the form x plus iy, where x, they are real number, and y also, they are real numbers. Okay? So what we need to do here is that if you look at what we have here, this is in the question we have there is in exponential, then it. So that's a form of the questions we have, and we are told to transform it to this Cartesian form. So corresponding the given problem to this standard form, to this form. Okay, correspond the problem to this form. Okay, so let's take the first one, which is what? Exponential pi over what? Pi over 3. Can isolate the I by the side. Okay, so anything that's attached to I is my theta. You can see theta I. This I is a complex number. Okay, so in this case now, my theta is what? Pi over 3. Do we have the modulus? The modulus here is there, is 1. R is what? R is 1. These are the two things we need in this question. This form is equivalent to this form. It's the same to this form. This is in Cartesian form. This is what? Trigonometric form. The meaning of this is that your x is equal to what? Open this one. Open the bracket. This is your x value. Your y is equal to what? Open the brackets. Okay. The attachment to your complex number is your what? Is your y. So these are the things you need to extract from here. Since we're able to extract what is x, what is y, then the next thing to do, we already have the value for what? For this. We have the value for what? For this also. So just go back. This is what? This is 1 times what? Cos what? Cos pi over 3. Okay? So this will be equal to, this will be half. That's half. This one also do the same thing, which is 1 times sine pi over 3. So this is 3 over 2. So we've gotten the value for both the real part and the imaginary parts. So the next thing you do now is very simple. You know your x, you know your y value. So in this form, we are told to do this value. We have what? We have 1 over 2. That's the real part. Then plus what? The imaginary part. That's I with 3 over 2. So that finished the question. Number 2, we have this. So in this case now, the modulus is what? Is 8. The argument, the theta, pi over what? Pi over 6. So don't forget that this plus this is same as what? Same as this. Don't forget your R here too. So we need to find value for this one. This one is what? That will be 8 times cos over 6, then plus imaginary parts 8 times sine pi over 6. So this will be equal to what? The real part will be 4 over 3. Okay. The imaginary part also is 4. The C part, we have this 3 times exponential to the power minus pi over 2. Okay, this is what we have. So correspond this to this form. Okay, so where the modulus is 3 and then your argument is what? Minus pi over 2. That's all. Then the next thing to do now is to write this. This is the same as this. They're the same. Yeah, this one is in Cartesian form. This is a trigonometric form. So let's get the value for that. This will be equal to what? We have 3 here. Okay, this is what? Cos minus pi over 2, and then plus I sine minus pi over 2. Okay, close your brackets here. That will be equal to. You open it, so this will be this times this. You get the x value. That's your x, and then this one times this one. That's your y value. Okay, here cos minus pi over 2. That's 0 times 3. This is 0. So the real part is 0. So plus. Let's come here. So this one is minus 1. So minus 1, and don't forget times 3. Times 3. So we have 0 minus 3i. So that's that question. Question 5. Express the following in the form r times cos theta plus I sin theta, where minus pi less theta and theta less or equal. Okay, and we have A and we have B. Correspond the question to this form. Okay, And for the first one, theta is what? 16 pi over 13. The attachment, the coefficient of your I will be your theta. The modulus in this case is 1. In this case is 1. Okay? So let's go back to the form we are told to do to express it. In the form we are told to express the equation. So that will be equal to what? My R is what? 1. Okay, that's 1. Open bracket cos 16 pi over 13. Then plus I sine 16 pi over 13. So if you want to go for the finally this was equal to cos 16 pi over 13 and then plus I sine 16 pi over 13. Okay, so that's that question. For this one, your modulus is 4 and your theta is what? 17 pi over 5. So what do? Just go back here and substitute the parameters you have. So that will be 4 cos 17 pi over 5, then plus I sine 17 pi over 5. So then the next thing we can do from this angle, you can just 17 pi over 5, you can take away 2 pi. Okay, because the value is big, 7 pi over 5. Okay, so the final answer will just be equal to 4 cos 7 pi over 5, then plus I sine 7 pi over 5. Okay, so that finished that. But don't forget that this cos 17 pi over 5 and this and cos 7 pi over 5 are equivalent. Just reduce this value. Okay, just minus 2 pi.